What's going on, guys? So check this out. This is the flagship Mercedes electric vehicle, the EQS. Really excited to go on a POV drive with you guys today. It does have the pop-out door handles. And there's a good look at the interior. I'll go in and get in so you don't have to listen to the traffic. Really nice Mercedes key fob. Love this. And check out this futuristic cabin. Really awesome. This has the hyper screen. So 3 different screens all under one piece of curved glass that goes across the entire dash. Really fancy looking. Go ahead and start it up so you can see it. So you have a lot of different displays you can choose from here with the gauge cluster. And as this is booted up here, you can see this is absolutely massive. Just the center part here is 17.7 inches. Absolutely fantastic graphics, really great performance. And then you have the passenger display. If you sit over there, that's the only time that it will actually display something besides the screensaver. You have a fingerprint reader for your settings. Got our drive modes down there. This, of course, is incredibly complicated, this cabin. I could talk about this for 100 years, but that's what our full review is for. This review is for, taking a POV drive and just kind of enjoying that experience. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and just get to that. Obviously, you're going to have a silent or nearly silent experience behind the wheel, but we do have these sound experience on. So what that's going to do is give you these 2 additional sound effects, which is not like a fake engine note or anything like that, but it is a sound that plays just so it's not silent. Some people, prefer to have a little bit of a noise. You, of course, can turn it on or off, like I mentioned. But once we get going here, you'll hear that kind of kick in to give you that acceleration feel. So, wow, taking off there, great acceleration. This is the 580, so this is the dual motor and more powerful model. It has over 500 horsepower, and with that you're gonna have a 0-60 in 4.1 seconds. So this is not all about raw speed or anything, because it's trying to be the S-Class of electric vehicles, but that does not mean that it's not quick, because it certainly is very quick. And you can hear that sound effect. It's very faint, actually. This is the quieter of the 2. There is another one, which I can turn on in just a second. This thing is super quick. because it's easy to forget behind the wheel how giant this is. This is basically the size of a Mercedes S-Class. So this is a huge, cushy luxury sedan. It rides fantastic, really comfortable, really quiet. But when you put your foot down, that torque will just smash you into the back of the seat. Mason's in the back seat there. How's the ride?
Not bad back here at all. I'm on the side with the pillow, so it's actually very smooth. The ride quality, it's not quite S-Class level. I think it's a little bit less floaty than the S-Class, but certainly very comfortable in the ride quality department.
Really seems to handle the bumps really well. Since there's no one behind me, let me go into the settings and turn that vehicle sound experience, change it to this sound effect. So it's called Vivid Flux. So that sounds a little bit more jet-like to me. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this POV drive. I know this was a little bit short, but like I said, that's what our full review is for. The longer drive, more details. Make sure to swing on over there and check that out on our channel. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more POV drives as well as all the other automotive content.